Sunday evening, meteorologist Jim Danner here with a look at your forecast. First, here's your weather headlines. We're going to be taking a look at our next shot at rain. It does involve Election Day, so if you haven't voted yet and you're going to be heading out Tuesday, make sure you keep that umbrella handy just in case. And then we'll also be taking a look at the tropics, still very active out in the Atlantic. There are your temperatures out there right now, lower 80s right along the coastal areas, including the island up towards Port Mansfield, mid and upper 80s lower into the mid-valley, and then McAllen still sitting at 90. Look at that, La Jolla 92, Rio Grande City right now at 93 degrees. Your next 5 hours, we'll see those temperatures drop to 80 degrees, 7 o'clock, and then it really doesn't budge a whole lot. Leading into the 10 o'clock hour, we will drop only down into the mid-70s overnight. Tonight's going to be another unseasonably warm evening. The yellow arrows are back on the map here. That means the breezes will stick around for tonight. It'll be blustery overnight. It'll be blustery for tomorrow as well. The clouds will roll back in this evening and overnight and stick around at least for the first part of the day tomorrow, and then they'll break up and we'll see sunshine and very warm conditions tomorrow afternoon. Not looking for rain tomorrow afternoon, just again another very summer-like day here in deep South Texas. Up towards the north, though, is a frontal boundary that's moving into West Texas tomorrow and will be working its way southward, and it will make it here into deep South Texas on Tuesday, and that's what will bring our next rain chance into play, and that's what we're seeing on the next 7 days there. So the front there, Tuesday, of course, Election Day, is when we have a chance to see some showers and even some thunderstorms here in the area. And 10 to quarter of an inch on average is all we're expecting. But you getting some of those heavier downpours, could see a ½ inch to an inch of rainfall in a few spots. Again, this is not going to be a widespread heavy rain event for the area, but it will be good to see some rain around nonetheless, and some cooler temperatures as well. Overnight tonight, near 80 degrees along the coastal areas, mid and upper 70s as you go inland. South to southeast winds will still be gusting up around 30 to 35 miles per hour, and that will be the case for tomorrow as well. Strong winds again, south to southeast, 30 to 35 for wind gusts, to go along with very warm temperatures. We should be in the lower 80s. How about upper 80s into the mid 90s tomorrow afternoon? So again, a very summer-like day in store. Tropics, it is November, but that means we still have 30 days or a month to go for hurricane season. The Hurricane Center is watching an area across the southwestern Caribbean. This cluster of clouds right here moving off towards the northwest, and that, though it says Lee there, it's not a named storm, okay? It's not a named storm yet. But this is again, it's called Invest AL97 right now, which means it is being monitored and the computer models are picking up on it, drifting it through the Caribbean into the southeastern Gulf of Mexico or so as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. So not expected to affect us as far as any rain, but we'll have to watch it closely nonetheless. Could be seeing another named storm in the Gulf of Mexico. There's your 7-day forecast. Then once the front moves through on Tuesday, lower 80s, and then we'll see mid 80s Wednesday, Thursday, and then lower 80s on Friday.